Hey everyone, Debbie with Debbie's Recent Things. So I posted that wreath with this sign got it from Dollar Tree, and it's sold. So I did the sign in my with my cricket group, and I actually showed them. I created this. I designed this, and so I showed them how to do their own designs. And I thought, well, I need to make a couple more hearts. I'll make these real quick. They don't take long. Okay, so real quick, let's go ahead and let's put this on to our sign, okay? I'll lower you down so you see what I'm doing. This is just contact paper. That's what I use as my transfer tape. Brooklyn, New York. Hey, Linda. Hi, Marcella. From Little Rock. Hey, Karen. What'd you miss, Darla? Oh, you talking about, yeah, I did the live Friday. Yeah, go watch it. I did two. I did a couple wreaths made using Dollar Tree stuff. Hey, Jean, how are you? Yes, Kathy, roll tide. Either way, we would have had to have been happy, right? Because the SEC would have walked away with it. So, but I am glad it was Alabama. Atlantic City. Join. We'd love to have you. Okay. So I'm going to kind of measure this where I want it. It's so close right here. I'm going to add just a little bit of this tape up there. Right up there. Just to help it out. Dry. We'll do this one. These little chalkboards are great, y'all. Yes, Roseanne, I made this stencil myself. This is my own design. I mean, I know how to, go in there and design my stuff, but, and I do show how to do it. But as a wreath maker, I just don't have time to do that. And so, I love going to You and Me Designs. But this one I did create myself. Alright, so we're going to let those dry. And then Jeannie is for God so loved the world. And this is what I showed in my class, how to make it, what to make.